Working on a Windows installer and received an ISS file? This is a script for one of the most popular free installer creation tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, compile, and work with these Inno Setup installer scripts. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value ISS file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. ISS files are installer script files for Inno Setup, the free Windows installer creation system by Jordan Russell. They contain Pascal Script-based installer definitions specifying application files, registry entries, shortcuts, prerequisites, license text, and custom installation pages that compile into professional Windows Setup executables. Inno Setup ISS files use plain text encoding with INI style section headers, including setup for installer properties, files for file definitions, registry for registry entries, and code for custom Pascal script logic. The format supports conditional compilation, compiler directives, and preprocessor, includes for modular installer design. For full compatibility with ISS, use the proprietary Inno Setup developed by Jordan Russell. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your ISS file and choose Open With. Test Inno Setup first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your ISS file still refuses to open, stay calm. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent ISS file error. First, editing the script. Open the ISS file in Inno Setup's built-in IDE or in any text editor with syntax highlighting. The script sections define all installer behavior from file copying to registry modifications. Modify the setup section for installer properties, files section for included files, and run section for post-installation actions. Next, compiling the installer. In Inno Setup's IDE, press Ctrl plus F9 or select Build. Then compile to compile the ISS script into a Windows Setup executable. The compiler processes all sections, resolves file paths, compresses included files, and generates a single setup .exe file ready for distribution. Check the output pane for any compilation errors. Finally, testing the installer. After compilation tests, the generated setup executable on a clean Windows installation or virtual machine. Verify all files. Install correctly. Shortcuts are created. Registry entries are applied, and uninstallation removes everything cleanly. Use Inno Setup's debug mode to step through the installation process for troubleshooting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.